know everybody's tired of the mud as much as I am. Even the pigs are tired of the mud. They have destroyed this lot. Gave them some dry hay and they are thrilled. They'll be bedded down in a little bit. Their bin to get out of the dry, they have turned it into a mud hole on the inside. They've dug down until the water just goes right inside. I don't want to get in there, I'll get nasty. But you barely can tell how much mud is in there. Well, this is the next day. You can see where one of them made a little hole and slept right there. The mud is the worst I've seen it in a long time. They have really destroyed this area. And yesterday I didn't want to go in here. I'm going to go in here anyway. This has just happened over the last week. They've got some dry area on the edges, but they dug down. Yeah, get on, get on, get on. Alright, they're not going to leave me alone. So to combat this mud situation and shelter situation, I'm going to build a pig hutch, and I'm going to put it up there, up a little higher. This hill, this whole lot slopes downward. If I put it at the top, it'll be less likely to be muddy for them to lay in. This is unreal what they have done in here. Alright, if y'all interested, you can catch me on the next video where I put that together. Y'all come back now, you hear?